Hey guys, in this video right now I'm going to show you how to write text to a file and how to create a file in Python. So I was considering making this two different videos, but I just figured they'd be too short, so I'm just going to make these two things into one video so you can get as much out as possible. So let's look right at the program. So in case you already don't know what comments are and what print statements are or any of that stuff, go back to my previous videos, which I also have as a card in the top of the video, and I'll say at the end of my video. So on the first line we have a comment, create a file if it doesn't already exist. So with open file.txt.text xt as x. So this isn't a normal if statement, while loop or anything. Basically this is a line that's making a file called file.txt. So if you want to write to the file, oh by the way, as x, it can be anything, it doesn't have to be as x. If you're going to change it just to experiment, make sure you change the as x.write, as x here, and x.read. It can be anything, I just use x as a placeholder. So you've got x.write, this file now exists. So it goes to x and it writes in that file, this file now exists. And then you can open that file. So here is where we're actually opening the file. Comment open the file. Now the file opens, the file.txt one opens as x. If you left the x out or if you made it something else, it wouldn't work if you run it, which I'll show you soon. And read the data in the file, data equals x.read. So reading the data it basically means that you can use it to read whatever's in the file that you're trying to open. So let's run this program. Run. Oh, I saw it already. So we're gonna run the program and it says an error in line 10. So as you can see, the error was due to the p. So it says in line 10, and if you're going to try and do the as p, which would cause an error, the line 10 is the one that fails because it doesn't know any code that. So it still created the text file which exists, but you wouldn't be able to do the reading and opening it properly. And if you had a full-scale program / project, this would fail. So now let me show you. This x is correct, right? So we're going to go to the top right, run the program, but then it says file exists, file.txt. So let's change this to files and see what happens. You click files, you run the program, it works. Why does it work? Because that program isn't already made. So you've got two different ones, files and file. They have the same text, but they're different names, so the program runs. So you just need to make sure that you're changing, because let's say you've got file and files there, it wouldn't work. I've got a lot of video ideas I've got in mind for text projects, like how to save usernames and passwords in it, which I'll probably try and make for you on Sunday or Monday for you, and how to store loads of data in them. This is just the absolute basics of opening a file and writing to the file. And yeah, you can ask someone. So let's say, can you create a username please? Someone enters the username and then it's stored with the password. And then I'll show you also how to try and add some customization to the program. So you can just experiment with this a little bit. Hope it wasn't too confusing as a tutorial. If you liked the video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. And go to my website and go to my Facebook page if you want some more information.